that's something that I hope with the precious metals that we are stacking, that we can then use as a tool to help others. Hey everyone, it's Kingdom Silver here. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. Let's dive right in. So as you can tell, I'm still on vacation. If you saw my last video, I'm recording a couple today. The rain's actually stopped from the last video, and the sun's starting to peek out. So we'll see if these beautiful mountains that you're seeing right here, for those that didn't see the last video, I'm on vacation right now. I'm in the mountains and with family, and it's just gorgeous. I love these views. This is somewhere that I've been for almost every year of my life. We take a trip up here with my family to see their extended family, and it's one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen. It gives me a lot of peace in very turbulent times. And in my previous video, I was talking about, hey, the craziness around silver and gold. You know, it really can get you discouraged. And I was talking about, you know, focusing on the long-term objectives around silver, seeing the short-term tailwinds, but what are the short-term headwinds, but what are the long-term tailwinds towards silver? Well, I think it's also important. I mentioned this at the end of the video, but I wanted to get into it in a little more detail as to, you know, in a situation like this, I think it's important also to remind ourselves, why do we stack, right? Why do we stack precious metals? And there's a lot of different answers for this that people can have. And in the comments, I want to hear those from you. Please, I want to hear, why do you stack? Why do you invest in the precious metals? So for me, being in this place, it reminds me, you know, one of the main reasons I stack, it's for my kids. It's for my sons. It's for my wife. It's being able to secure our wealth, you know, to preserve it. But not only that, I think to make a wise investment. And honestly, those investments don't always feel wise, right? Especially if you're someone that got in when silver was pretty high and you're down, you know, 20, 30, 40%. It may not feel that wise now. But to me, you know, I'm wanting to give my family the opportunity, right, that in 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, however many years it is, that there is wealth there that my family can tap into to be good stewards and to use that in a wise way, whether that's helping themselves, helping their future families, or helping others that are less fortunate. And I also think it's important to stack because it's also education for my sons, right, that are learning about the metals. And in fact, I have specifically for them precious metals, right? They each have precious metals. They have some investments digitally in the precious metals, but they also have physical silver that I have for them. And of course, there'll be, you know, keepsakes and collectibles and things that will divvy out at some point, right? But they have these that they can fall back on that can hopefully in a couple of years give them a good start, you know, 10 as they get older, right? As they get older, that they can use as a tool to help them prepare for their life. You know, there were some people that were very generous to my wife and I as we were just a young married couple, just a couple of kids starting out, and they blessed us with furniture. They blessed us with, you know, as they were downsizing and moving, they provided us with those things, you know, the odd recliner, the odd couch, right? All those things, the tables, and it really set us up for success to where we've been able to give back to people. We've been able to be good stewards with the resources that we've been given. And that's something that I hope with the precious metals that we are stacking, that we can then use as a tool to help others too. So for me, again, it's all about the, you know, long-term objectives, right? It's all about the long-term bullish case, but also it's about, I want to preserve that wealth. I want to be able to have that wealth not only be a preservation of wealth, but an investment to which I can then help invest in my sons, in my wife and I's relationship, and also for other people, you know, for charitable events, whether it's the ministry that I'm a part of, whether it's, you know, things that I'm passionate about, like the American Battlefield Trust or the Chosen, the Come and See Foundation, whatever it is, that I can then use some of these profits to then give back to others. So with that, I'm gonna end the video today, one, because I'm just a little rambly right now as I'm in the mountains, but two, because I need to check on my wonderful wife and sons who have graciously given me some time to record this video today. But in the comments, again, I'd love to hear, why do you stack? What are the reasons behind why you stack? And again, feel free to give the, bullish cases for silver as well and your thoughts, but I'd love to hear, what are some of the personal reasons as well to why you stack the precious metals. Would love to hear more about that. And as I turn back onto the road to my family home, ladies and gentlemen, be blessed. Be a blessing to others. We'll see you later.